Poyo House, a bold architectural transformation located in the quiet neighborhood of Villa Devoto, Buenos Aires. Originally an ordinary home, this project by MMCV reimagines the existing structure into a powerful statement of modern design, one that bridges the old and the new with precision and purpose. The architects approached the renovation with a deep respect for the original building. Instead of erasing its past, they chose to reinterpret it. By exposing the concrete frame and eliminating interior partitions, the home now breathes with openness and light. The result is a raw yet elegant composition, a solid concrete box that radiates strength, simplicity, and timelessness. From the street, a folded metal gate, standing 3.5 meters high, marks the entrance. Beyond it, a small patio acts as a threshold, a quiet transition from city life into the calm of the home. The approach, defined by a rhythm of concrete cubes, creates a sense of anticipation, gradually revealing the interior's unique spatial experience. Stepping inside, you enter the main living area, the first stop in a sequence of interconnected spaces. A few steps lower, the kitchen and dining area open directly onto the garden and pool, creating seamless continuity between indoors and outdoors. The vertical play continues with 2 staircases, one leading up to the private bedrooms, and another descending to the basement with a playroom and laundry. These subtle level shifts create a dynamic flow, connecting spaces visually and emotionally rather than dividing them. The main staircase becomes a sculptural centerpiece, cutting through the sloped ceiling and emphasizing the home's geometric rhythm. On the facade, metal frames around the openings cast shifting shadows throughout the day, adding depth and movement to the concrete shell. Inside, textures play a quiet symphony. Stone-like floors, warm wooden furniture, and soft anodized finishes balance the cool presence of concrete. More than just a renovation, Poyo House is a conversation between eras, honoring the memory of what once was, while confidently expressing a new identity for contemporary urban living.